Chidi, 3 years without a child. I'm scared.
I know, madam, must keep faith.
Amara and Chidi have been married for 3 years without a child. Chidi's mother, Mama Nkechi, pressures them constantly. She tells Amara that a man is not a man until he hears a cry in his hallway. Amara tries to hold on to her faith, telling Mama they are waiting on God's timing. But the pressure starts to crack their marriage.
Who is this girl in my kitchen?
Amara comes home to
Chidi,
find
what
a
is this?
young girl,
Amara, please, let me explain.
Ifoma, in her kitchen. Mama Nkechi and Chidi have secretly agreed to bring this girl in to have a child for
I can't
Chidi.
believe this is happening.
Heartbroken and feeling betrayed by her husband's lack of faith, Amara packs her bags and leaves, telling Chidi, "I would rather be alone with God than in a house full of people and lies."